Hey class, how's you doing? I had to revamp my plan here a little bit. So what I'm doing right now is showing you an online tool called Screener. Originally I was going to use Screener to show you another program, so that's just going to be a small part of this to show you this program. But this is a screencast online tool, um, similar to like the professional things like Camtasia, where it allows you to create basically almost like a tutorial video or a screen capture with your audio attached to it. There are more advanced programs and there are less advanced programs out there. The great thing about this one is obviously that it's web-based. So you just go to this website, you sign up, and you get 5 minutes of recording time, as you can see here on my screen. And what it does is it gives you a little reframe thing, and you can pick what part of the screen you want or not. And then as you move around, anything that goes into that part of the screen, like I selected everything except for my toolbar in Windows, and then you can record and talk, and then at the end you can then publish this, and then there's for example a public stream that you can go to, and you can also then move this stuff over to like a YouTube or that sort of thing, or anything else where you can then have students collaborate. There's some cool uses to this. For example, in my original plan I was showing you a program called Mina, which is this program here. And here, you could, if you had a program you wanted to show students or something like that, you could use this as a way to talk through how to do things. You could, and as everything you do shows up then on the screen. And then with that, the students can then make comments about it. The other cool thing about it that I had thought of is it's also a way that you can, if a student is working on something and doesn't have a way to really describe to you what the problem is, they can use this as a way to kind of capture on the screen, like, here's what I'm doing, here's the error message I'm getting, or whatever it is. Upload it, send you the link to it, and then you can kind of get a better idea of maybe what's going on. Again, because it's web-based, you do need Java, so you do need the Java plugin for whatever web browser you're using. So that is a setback. So then once you've got that all set, though, then any computer they go on, they can use this to create a screencast of some kind. So once that's done, there's a done button that you guys can't actually see right now, but it's very clear and very easy to see. And then it does have to upload it. And it takes about a minute per minute of recording time. So there's definitely some cool applications of it. I wish I could have shown you a little bit more of it, but unfortunately I had to rework my strategy here, because another program I tried caused my computer to crash over and over again. So after your 5 minutes, again, that's the biggest setback, is you only get 5 minutes. So if you had to make a longer presentation of some kind, you couldn't really do it. There is this Go Pro button up here, but that's really exclusively for businesses, and a business license is going to cost more than most of us would want to pay just for a classroom application. So unless the school as an entirety wanted to do something like that, then it's unfortunately not super practical. So that is Screener. Once everything is done, you can go ahead and throw it onto your screencast, and you can see it there. There's a public stream of everybody. I would click it, but it would take me away from this page. And there's also a lot of tutorial videos on how to do it. So pretty cool site and pretty cool options here.